So guys, as you can see, there is just loads of space in this car. Mind you that this is a sedan, and it's an aerodynamic sedan, and I have loads of knee room, loads of elbow, and actually this is in the POV position, so this is the normal seating position, and look at this. This feels like a limousine, to be honest. But this is just all the way back for us to have like a good POV view for you guys. And I mean, I have loads of space. And the headroom is also very nice. So I think I have around 5 centimeters of space left. So I think if you're above 190, then you get some problems. But all in all, it's very nice. So we have a armrest right here with integrated cup holders. And you can put it away like this. So this is the cloth design, which is also, wow, I mean, it's nice. So, and here we have some seat pockets as well for your stuff. We have 2 USB-C type chargers in the back, as well as a individual air vent. And right here we have the door controls, and these are actually really quick. And you can half press them or fully press them to let them work automatically. I have to say, all the finish and touch of this car is really nice. It just feels nice. The materials are nice. Here we have a pocket for your phone and for small stuff. Yeah, it all looks really nice, to be honest. We have a black headliner as well, and also this trim is really nice. We have some ambient lighting all across the cabin, and this really looks cool at night.
And is this seat heating?
Yeah, good point, man. So we have heated seats in the rear. You can adjust it right here. Alright, so that is it from the rear. Let's hop on in the front of the IONIQ 6. So right now we are in the front of the car, and as you can see, it is a bit different from the IONIQ 5. So the IONIQ 5 that we tested, it had like a movable center console, like right here. You can just adjust it and slide it in the front and in the back. But this has just a one solid center console, and I think this looks a bit more sporty. So the IONIQ 5 is more a car for comfort, and well, it's an SUV, and just more designed for comfort. And this is a bit more sporty design. Also, I think all the interior trims look really nice. We all have the sort of 3D effect in it, but it's actually smooth if you feel it. So we have a very nice center screen right here, as well as a virtual cockpit, and it all just nicely fits into this cluster. And of course, we do have the very nice IONIQ steering wheel, and this is actually the same steering wheel as we have in the IONIQ 5. So in the steering wheel we have drive modes, we have a lot of buttons, you can adjust a lot of things in this car. It's really nice. Also, just like in the rear, we have heated seats in the front, and the window switches are located in the middle of the car instead of in the door, which makes the door actually really minimalistic and nice looking. And in terms of the seating position, well, it's nice. This seat is electronically adjusted. This seat is manually adjusted. But as you can see, right now I'm in my normal driving position, and look at the room for your legs. It's amazing. This is a really comfortable car with a lot of space. And these are just normal sun visors. Oh, they actually don't open like that. So, oh right. So, oh, this is actually nice. So, if you need it, you can just toggle the switch on, and if you close it, it toggles the switch back off again. Nice. And here we have some overhead switches as well. Oh, so these are touch control. That's cool. At the rear of the IONIQ 6 we also have a 230 volt socket, which is nice. So let's check out the infotainment system of the IONIQ 6. So this is just the same as the IONIQ 5, I think, and we have a load of adjustments. So if we go here, you have a couple of options. We have the EV settings, so you can check what the range will be for your car, and also we have the weather forecast for some reason. So we have a valet mode, so I guess that is to limit the speed of the car. We have the climate control. Alright, so I have to say this navigation system looks a bit odd, I think. It does look more like a game than a navigation system. But hey, it works. So in terms of the screen right here, we have a lot of adjustabilities. Alright, so we have the mode button on the steering wheel, and if we press the mode button, you get cafe sound. Why, you ask me? I don't know. That is what Hyundai decided to put in this car. Can you make more sounds? Or is it only...
No, there are some.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, there are some more.
We have a rainy day. So if you just... You could just retract the thing like this. And you can have your own personal moment with your IONIQ 6. And if you want to be somewhere else, you can be at sea. You can be in a forest. You can be in a snowy village. You can be at a warm fireplace. Or you can be at the cafe. So this car is available between 50 and 60k euros. And I think it is a rather good price for this car. You get a very innovative design. You get very efficient, just a very efficient car overall, and it just looks really cool. So guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Ciao!